Good day, everyone, and welcome back to another video. But this time, not the usual. Actually, we're not doing a league race or like chasing a record. But I actually want to tackle something else, which is the question I get a lot: why am I losing 2 seconds to you or the esports drivers when I'm not making any mistakes? And I think this hasn't been answered that directly yet, so I really want to go ahead and do it. And really hope to help a lot of people out by, letting you know the difference between driving cleanly and driving fast. Even though you can do both, but we'll get into it. The first video I really want you to pay attention is a very clean one. You won't see pretty much any mistakes. There won't be a visible mistake, let's say. But it isn't the fastest. Let's look at it. We do go, it's visible. We don't miss any apexes. We use every inch of the track pretty much. Had a good late apex here, and just didn't do anything wrong. Wink. Now coming into Brooklands, I believe, perfectly left field. Left no space on the inside. Textbook. Amazing. Brilliant. No. Cops. Flat out. Nothing really to do wrong here. So, yeah, not much to report. But now, Maggots Beckett's. Let's check that out. I mean, if I can just see how good it is. You used every inch on the exit again. It's fantastic. Now coming into Stowe. Let's see. Outside perfect. Inside every centimeter. Now what is it? I don't know how that's called. But I mean, obviously pretty damn good as well. And that was a 0.3, very high 0.3. 24 it is. Now on the other side of the spectrum, I want you to compare the last one with this one. Like, I really want you to, and I'm gonna help. It isn't. I mean, spoiler alert. It isn't gonna be clean, but it's gonna be faster. And I'm gonna let you know, obviously, why it is. And I really believe that is one of the big misunderstandings of maybe racing in general, but definitely the F1 game. Let's see. We completely failed the apex. Go past it. Here again, ran a bit wide, so the car wasn't as straight as soon. But somehow, we're up. How did that happen? What? Anyway, coming into left field, Brooklands. I mean, sailed past the apex. Again, just on the inside, not using all of the track, but still up somehow. And obviously this is what I want to get into now, and I want to be a bit serious, definitely, because a lot of people are actually quite discouraged by that, because they don't really see what they do wrong and they don't really know where to tackle improving. And in summary, what I'm doing here is I'm using more of the car. I'm not using more of the track, but I'm using more of the car, which equals just more speed in general. You'll see I miss apexes left, right and center, but I use all of the car, meaning I maximize braking, I maximize traction, I maximize car control in terms of rotation. So when the car rotates on a twitchy setup, I maximize that. So in summary, work on your braking, work on your traction, like really try to get the maximum out of your car, and then work on your lines. And I really hope that helped.